So I got the DJI Power 2000 for review, and I figured that I might come out to the Weir and try it out. And as you can see in the back of my Tesla, I've got this pretty much fully kitted out. So let's walk through what's going on here. Got the inbound, which is the solar panels. There's 200 watts of solar panels here that go into the battery to feed that. So obviously if you're out here, you're camping for some time, you need to recharge the battery, that's a good option. You can actually add multiple solar panels, so that's cool. And then I'll walk you through the things that I'm, trying to charge, which kind of reflect, I think, a bit of reality of what life looks like for content creators in 2025. Probably a couple of laptops to do a bit of editing on. GoPro, DJI Action 4, DJI mics, handheld, coffee maker, essential, and let's try this out, eh? This, in theory, should and does work. We've got the drone, we've got the controller, headphones, electric scooter, all of this being powered by this. And I've seen it pull as much as sort of 1500 watts from this setup at the moment, which is cool. There is a max of about 3000 from the 2 kilowatt hour battery, but you can draw 3 kilowatts at the same time. Unfortunately, you can't charge the car with it. You need an additional accessory for that. But as you see, we're making the essentials here. We're making some coffee. But yeah, just a really cool setup and very impressive bit of kit to be able to power all of your electronics when you're out and about.